Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we want to talk about a specific business model that's close to my heart that can absolutely change your life. So if you're looking to start another income, you're looking for an alternative income, this is the right video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Preston. I'm a recruitment agency owner. Been doing so for over 15 years, back to back to back, and loving it every single day. We've helped hundreds of people find their dream jobs. We've also worked with some of the biggest, most well-known companies, hire amazing talent and rock stars on their team. But before we get further into this video, there are a couple things I want you to check out. Down below in the description box, you'll see a link to our newsletter, which is completely free. You'll also see a link to our recruiter school, which is our coaching consulting accelerator, where we work with solo practitioners to massive teams doing 7-8 figures globally a year, where we can help you with everything A to Z. We also have our vault. It's our splits community. It's looking for other established recruiters out there who are really good at candidate fulfillment, who want to find and make more source of income working directly with some of the best clients that my agency is working with right now. We'd love to partner with you. All of that in the description box below. But why don't we go ahead and get started into this video. So first things first, let's quickly talk about the business model nobody talks about. Generally, as we go through life, we are taught to get a job, not to build the thing that actually creates jobs, but to actually go out there and work for an employer. Someone right now, as you're watching this video, is making $300,000 to $500,000 from a laptop with 0 employees, just the phone and an internet connection. No product, no warehouse, no venture capital, nor storefront. And as a matter of fact, independent service businesses with 0 to 3 employees are the fastest growing income categories in the US, according to a report in 2024. So the reason why most people never see this are a few. The model exists and exists for a long time. It's just not really talked about. Here's why most professionals never really find it. Number one, schools, they're created to train employees. The education system is designed to produce workers, not operators or business owners. Number two, no famous brand names. This model really is not sexy, has no celebrity spokesperson, but it exists in every single market, in every single sector and industry on the world. It quietly makes people cash flow and wealthy and has been doing so for decades. Career advice also fails you. Most guidance sends you deeper into the employment system, not out of it working for yourself. Less than 14% of professionals report being aware of the independent talent placement model before counting it directly. I was one of those. I actually was looking for a job and I ended up getting a job at a recruitment company. That's how I learned how to become a recruiter, high performing recruiter, full desk recruiter, and ultimately led me on to starting my own agency working for myself. Now, what's the model? The model is talent placement and recruiting, also known as staffing, recruitment, agency, consulting, etc. What we do is we are high-level corporate matchmakers. We match high-value professionals with companies that need to hire them, and we get paid a placement fee, typically between 18 to 25% of the hire's first-year salary. So again, you find the talent, you match to the company, put it together, and that's how we collect the fee. We make a placement, and that's how we get paid. One placement, as an example, one placement on a $150,000 role would give you about $27,000 to $37,000 for one hire. All that in one check, in your name, in your bank account. All you need is a phone, laptop, LinkedIn, and one niche you understand deeply. Average placement fee for a professional level hire in the US ranges from $28,000 to $34,000. The top independent recruiters, they place 1 to 3 placements a month. Just do the math. That's how you're making $500,000 or more. Real quick, if you ever thought about starting your own recruitment agency or you're a recruiter struggling to land clients, you'll want to check out our coaching and implementation program. Inside, I give you the exact scripts, the outreach templates, and acquisition systems I used to hit over $500,000 my first year, scale to over $100,000 months, and do over $5 million in placements on my own desk. Our students are already hitting $30,000, $50,000, even $80,000 per month or more. Many of them doing it part-time. So if you want to learn the same playbook, the link's below. It's exactly what I use. Now back to the video. Now, in terms of the numbers, why this model wins? Well, 65, 70%. In my opinion, this is actually pretty low. It's actually a lot higher, more closer to 70, 80 to 90% or higher gross margins. Recruiting agencies, they average between 65 to 70% conservatively gross margin versus typical 30% for product businesses, 51% for SaaS, and many of the businesses that are significantly lower, right? If you're gonna do the same work, might as well get and keep most of that money in your pocket. The average placement fee is $28,000 per professional level in the US market. $380,000 is the median year 3 revenue. The independent recruiting agencies is 5 over a year's 3 makes. Specialized niches make over 490, closer to 500 to $1 million or more. My first year, I did over $500,000, and that was because I was specialized within tech. No inventory, no fulfillment, no employees, no returns, no offices, no product costs. The service is simply pure knowledge, relationships that compound over time, and the margin is structural, not lucky. Now, the income ladder, real numbers at every stage. Maybe year 1, you can be making $60,000, $120,000. You're learning the model, building your pipeline, first client relationships. Maybe year 2, $120,000 to $220,000. The process becomes repeatable. You have a little bit more confidence. confidence, referrals start coming in. Year 3, 220,000 to 400,000, niche authority established, referrals accelerate, premium fees unlocked. Year 5, 400, 800,000 or higher. You got inbound clients, premium fees, and retained searches. Now, in my opinion, and from our experience doing this myself, but also teaching others to do it through our consulting on Recruiter School, you can actually significantly accelerate this. Like, we have people making multiple six figures in their first year. We have people clearing over 100K in the first 90 days to 6 months. It's absolutely incredible, and it happens, right? And so, like, are these numbers, do they make sense? Yes. Are they conservative? Yes. But do you want to go faster? Can you go faster? Absolutely yes. So if you are interested to kind of learn into a program that's going to accelerate and condense your journey, success, and results, check out the Recruiter School. So who is this model built for? It's really built for people who are sales professionals. I think if you have previous sales experience, that really helps, because recruitment is basically sales. You already have BD and persuasion in your DNA. It's also great for corporate recruiters, HR recruiters, people who basically, instead of having to learn two different things, you already know the candidate side. You just have to learn the sales side now, right? It's half the effort. And then people who are really good on relationship builders, people who get really excited about connecting people, introducing people, like networking, offline meetings, going to events. Anyone who gets energy from that would just be absolutely amazing in terms of recruitment. Who this is not a right fit for? People who really need certainty and a fully built system from day one. Like, in recruitment, with interviewing, working with people, anything can happen out of your control, and you have to be okay with that. So if you want to control everything and you always want to have a perfect outcome every single time, this might drive you crazy. You might have to learn really quickly to be okay with that, to let it slide, to be a little bit looser, and to kind of go with the flow and be able to pivot on the fly. Number 2, people who are just seeking passive income with zero work and zero outreach. Like, you have to put in work, right? And again, you have to be able to connect talent with companies, put it together. A lot of work and a lot of things have to go right every single step. It sounds easy, but tactically, it's not as easy as it sounds, like with any business. High stakes conversations drain you rather than energize you. I think one of the coolest things about recruiting is that we talk to some of the best founders, operators, C-level executives, managers, and talent in your industry around the world, in your market. And if you're someone who's afraid of doing that, if you're someone who doesn't want to do that, recruitment's not for you. 73% of successful independent recruiters come from sales, HR, or talent acquisition. The top year 1 predictor is prior comfort with direct outreach. And I think this absolutely is true. My previous experience in sales, starting other companies, really helped me ramp up fast, where simple things like direct outreach, failure, rejection didn't really faze me as it would someone who was starting completely fresh. So there are 3 questions that you can ask yourself to reveal if you're ready. Before you start, answer these very honestly. If you say yes to all 3, I think you have the psychological profile to crush it in recruitment. Number 1, do you thrive in high stakes conversations? Do you get energy from direct, ambitious dialogue with driven professionals? Number 2, do you resent working for someone else's ceiling? Are you frustrated working hard while someone else captures the upside? Instead of working for yourself, you can always get a job, and that would be working at another recruitment agency, but typically they would give you a draw or a low salary. And even if you were to crush it and you give a lot of billings, a huge portion of that, a majority of that, goes to the company and not to you. Are you someone that would resent that would frustrate that? That's what happened to me. And number 3, can you tolerate 60, 90 days of uncertainty in exchange for uncapped long-term income? Can you stay the course? Recruitment is like sports. It's like you have to stay in, practice, plug in, and be consistent every single day. The people who typically do well are the ones not use the best tools. They're not like the best tactically. They're just the ones that show up and never quit, and they are stubborn till the end every single day. And I think any high performer in any industry will have attributes similar or overlapping to that, right? So if you're someone who understands that you can't control everything, but because of that, you have the opportunity to create your life, your future, and to accomplish whatever you want to accomplish, then this is for you. Business is for you. Entrepreneurs citing income-ceiling frustrations, like I did in the past, as their prime motivation, have a 31% higher 5-year business survival rate versus those motivated by lifestyles alone. The next step is just honestly one decision away. The model exists and it works. It's working for others. It can work for you. People are running it right now, quietly, in every single sector imaginable. The gap between where you are right now and where this starts is just one decision and one plan. It's already proven. You don't need to reinvent the business. You need to learn the one that already works. The system exists. The full training, the framework, the roadmap are available. The only missing variable is you. You want to start now, not tomorrow. Every day in the employment system is a day, not building your own income ceiling or moving entirely. And as someone who's been in recruitment for over a decade, if there's one thing that we learned in this employment landscape is that nobody is safe. No job is safe. It is absolutely imperative that whatever you have going on, make the effort on the side to own an asset, a vehicle that can help you have a little income, medium income, life-changing income for you, your family, and your life. And if it stays on the side, that's great. More cash in your pocket. And if anything, it gives you opportunities to do whatever you want for the rest of your life moving forward. So I hope that you really enjoyed this video. If you have more questions, let me know. If you have started your agency, you started your recruitment agency, and you're hitting some milestones, comment down below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and your journey. But either way, I really appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one.